That shape?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's see. There you go. Ready?
Huh?
What's that?
I don't know.
What does it look like?
I don't know.
Does it look like worms?
Yuck! Yes. I'm gonna make another one.
Mm.
I wanna make no more. I wanna make more.
You make more worms? Lift the handle up. Lift it up all the way. No, wait. Gotta lift it up all the way. Lift the handle up all the way. There we go. And now you gotta put the Play-Doh inside. There you go.
They look like worms. I need help.
Need help?
They look like worms.
What is that?